Alright, so you want to change out the helix and or spring in your secondary, but you don't want to spend the cash to buy the spring compressor, clutch compressor, whatever they want to call it. And you don't want to mess around and screw the thing up. So here's how you build one. Go to Home Depot, get you a piece of all thread. This one's a foot long. It's the 1/2 inch variety. I think it's 10 threads per inch. So get you some all thread, get you 4 1/2 inch washers, also from Home Depot. Weld one of the washers on the bottom of the all thread so that it's flat. I put one more down here just like this. Then get you one of these 1/2 inch coupling nuts. That's what it's called. That's this piece in the center. It's supposed to put 2 pieces of all thread together. So get you one of those, and you should already have 4 of these washers. So when you get home, take your all thread, find some sort of scrap metal that you have. I had some just round solid tube at the house. Weld those on about halfway up for your handles. Weld one of the washers on the bottom. Mine's not perfectly centered, but whatever. And then once you get your secondary off, just plop it down on your all thread like that. Put your 3rd washer on there. Screw your little handle that you built down onto it like so. And then once you get it all the way to the bottom, it'll lock this piece in. You can take your Torx bolts out and then slowly loosen this up, and it'll release the spring up, and then you can take the spring and the helix out. And then when it comes time to put the new one in there, just do it opposite. So I've already got this one swapped out. This is the Aftermarket Assassin's helix, and the spring is already in there. So yeah, I think they want 90 bucks for one of these. All the parts cost $9. I didn't have to buy any of this because I already had some at the house, but then just fab it up and there you go. So good luck.